Like all good stories, the history of wilderness safaris is full of colorful characters, mystical places, thrilling adventures, and a quest. It all began in Botswana 35 years ago with 2 guides, an old Land Rover, and a single purpose. We wanted to use life-changing journeys to help conserve and restore the remote and wild places of Africa. We called ourselves Wilderness Safaris to convey the sense of space for exploring uncharted places, connecting with nature, and making a difference. We were the first with the passion and the courage to pioneer sustainable ecotourism as we know it today. We adopted the African schema as our logo, a rare and striking bird that symbolizes pristine and fragile ecosystems. It was these areas we wanted to conserve and, where necessary, restore. Whether this meant being the first to reintroduce previously extinct species to Botswana's Okavango Delta, or restoring an entire island ecosystem in the Seychelles and helping save the endangered Seychelles white-eye, or working with remote rural communities to change land use and attitude to wildlife over vast tracts of wild Namibia, or even a groundbreaking reforestation program in Rwanda, expanding the habitat of the critically endangered mountain gorilla. You see, for us, it's not just about big game on the savannah. Thanks to 35 years of experience, we are able to offer our guests authentic and intimate wildlife encounters. Across 2 million hectares of pristine wilderness areas, in 7 countries, in over 40 camps and lodges that epitomize our ideal of purposeful luxury. Conservation is also about people. We have a saying at Wilderness: our journeys change lives. Not just those of our guests, but our own as well. From our 3,000 staff to the tens of thousands of rural people we reach through our community partnerships. And of course, the youth of Africa, the custodians of tomorrow. It was for them that we created our Children in the Wilderness program, so that they could access and appreciate their magnificent natural heritage and become the conservation leaders of the future. Thank you for being part of our 35-year journey to be the world's most respected ecotourism company. Together, we can continue to make a positive impact to Africa, its wildlife, and people through visionary ecotourism. Together, we can continue to change lives, both now and into the future.